Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare chena tiyal. This is a yam preparation, a Kerala style preparation. Let us see how to prepare chena tiyal. Here I have taken 250 grams of yam. I have cut off the skin. I have washed them and chopped it into small pieces. Then I have taken 14 shallots, 3 tablespoon coconut grated and a few curry leaves. Let us heat a pan. Let us add the coconut. Let us add half teaspoon fennel seeds. Let us roast the coconut. The coconut is almost roasted. Let us add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder and quarter teaspoon fenugreek powder. The coconut is well roasted now. Let us turn off the gas. Let us move this to a plate. The roasted coconut has cooled. I have put it in a mixie. I have made a paste using a little water. Then I have taken a gooseberry sized piece of tamarind. Let us soak it in water. I have chopped the shallots. Let us heat the same pan. Let us add 2 tablespoon oil. Let us add half teaspoon mustard seeds. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Let us add the shallots. Let us add the curry leaves. The shallots are well sorted now. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Let us add the chopped yam. Let us add a little water. Let us cover and cook. Every 3 to 4 minutes, let us open it, mix it, cover it again. The yam is 3/4 cooked now. Let us add the coconut paste. Let us put some water in the mixie jar. Let us pour it also here. Let us cover it again. The yam is cooked now. Let us add salt. Let us add the tamarind juice. Let us mix it well. Let us boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. This is ready now. The salt and chili is fine. Let us add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Let us mix it well. Let us turn off the gas. Chena TL is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the Chena TL preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.